into here. So I'm going to take this off to see where this is. Right there. There's no bolt on this side. Just pull this back. This whole thing just pops out. And it looks like it's just got these plastic clips in it. So this is just the clip that's holding it. Looks like all I need is a flathead screwdriver. Just going to wedge it between the two and pry it out. It just has little like fins. This is the fan, and you can see it's not dirty. This is the fan, and you can see it's not dirty. So based on that, I'm not going to take it apart. I have 80,000 miles on this Prius V. It's a 2014. Just have clips that go straight down. That's it. That is so simple. It's silly. There you go. That was all there was to it. Put this back in. A heck of a lot easier than I thought it was going to be. Bye-bye.